Welcome back to the RepRapGuru Prusa i3 video build guide. In this video, we'll be installing the X-axis belt. In this video, we'll need the printer frame, a 2mm hex screwdriver, a pulley, some zip ties, and the rest of the belt in the kit. We're going to begin by taking the pulley and placing it on the X motor shaft. We're going to do this by placing it on the shaft, making sure that we have the flat part of the shaft lined up with the set screws, and then tightening it from the open end on the side. When you're done, it should look something like this. Although you may want to flip the piece around, whatever lines up best for you, because you want the belt to come through the middle of the assembly. From here, we're going to take our belt tooth side down and place it in the right side of the back of the X carriage. And we're going to loop that around and zip tie it to itself. After that, we're going to take the rest of it, loop it around the pulley on the right side, pull the slack through, make it go under the assembly on the X carriage, through to the other end of the printer where the motor pulley is, loop it around the motor pulley, and pull it back through. Once we have it through, we're going to want to make the belt go in tooth side down while pulling it taut. Not too tight, but just tight enough so that there's not too much slack. If it's not tight enough later on, you can always put on a spring tensioner, which is included in the kit. This part can be tricky because you're trying to fit both pieces of belt in this tiny channel in the middle of the block. Once you have both in, you're going to want to zip tie the end on and then cut off the excess. Once you're done, it should look something like this. And when you move the carriage, the belt should move with it and the motor pulley should turn. That's it for this video. In the next video, we'll be attaching the heated bed to the Y-axis.